In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Joomla website's URLs search engine friendly. So by default, with default Joomla settings, the URLs will look something like this. The name of the website, the domain name, /index.php/ the name of the page on the website. Now we are going to simplify this and remove the index.php. To do this, our first step is to log into the cPanel, the hosting control panel for this account. Go to the file manager, go to public HTML, and locate htaccess. Now sometimes it is hidden, and you might need to click onto settings to show hidden files. So see if there is a htaccess here already. There isn't. There's just htaccess.txt. So I'm going to rename this to .htaccess. So if there already had been a htaccess file here and htaccess text as well, I would remove the htaccess file that's there and rename the htaccess text file so that becomes the default. That is the Joomla default htaccess, unless you got it from another source. So having that in place, we need to go to the admin area of the website, go to the global config, and then we are going to use URL rewriting. Click yes. Add suffix to URL means that it will be .html at the end of each page. So often that's a great idea. We'll click save. We'll go to the website, go to home, and we're going to watch the URLs change. So now the new URL is about/our hut. So this is how to improve Joomla URLs.